guys, if you are facing the same problem and seeing the error message on your WhatsApp, you need the official WhatsApp to log in. So don't worry, in this video today I'm gonna share the latest method to unban your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. In order to do this, what we have to do is just come here, and first we will open the browser, and after opening the Chrome browser we will go to the WhatsApp support. Yes, this is WhatsApp support page. In order to go to this page, you have to type on Google WhatsApp support or WhatsApp help. So you will see this page and you will see contact WhatsApp here. Yeah, so you have to click here on the article. Yes, article section. When you click on the article section, you will find how to contact the grievance officer and WhatsApp in your country, whichever country you can see here. So you will have to come below and you have to come here to contact the grievance officer. Please fill out this contact form with your complaint or concern. Okay, so you have to click this contact form. Yeah, and now you have to click yes or no according to you. If you are a law enforcement officer, you can click yes or no. Enter your number here. Yeah, choose your country, like you can choose any country, so after that you can put your number here, whatever your number you can put here easily. And after putting your number here, whatever your number, actually I am not going to reveal my number here because for safety purpose you can put your number here. After putting your number here, you have to put the number same time. Yeah, put your number second time, same time. Okay, and this is for confirmation. You have to do it again, and now you have to click here the last option. Yeah, my account has been disabled or billed for violating terms of service. After clicking this, you have to provide brief description. I did not do anything wrong or did not send any messages through WhatsApp. Just wait. To any unknown number without any reason. To any unknown number without any reason. And then type, but my WhatsApp was banned. Please unban my WhatsApp as I follow all guidelines. You can see this message here. Type this: I didn't do anything wrong, didn't send any messages through WhatsApp to any unknown number without reason, but my WhatsApp was banned. Please unban my WhatsApp as I follow all guidelines. And if you have any screenshot of what is appearing on your WhatsApp when you're opening it, so you can put the file here and then click here no, yes, and type your name that you use on WhatsApp and email address, and same time enter the same email address that is linked to your WhatsApp and type yes again, yes, and then here type your name again. You can type your name again here like this and click send, and this message will go to your WhatsApp officer, and this message will reach WhatsApp team and they will investigate the case, and your WhatsApp will be unbanned within 24 hours.